Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, a very exciting video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the door on a Beko washing machine. Reason being is that my new one has arrived. Finally, after ages of waiting, 2 months on, it went on a world tour for 2 months, but it's finally here. Finally, I said about the change whenever I put up a post about that whenever I put this into the kitchen, that it would look a little bit different in a few weeks' time. A few weeks' time ended up turning into about a month. I ordered the new door for it before I put it in, but it ended up being delayed by a whole month pretty much, and it took 2 months to arrive rather than 5 to 6 weeks like I originally said. But we can finally fit it now. So reason I'm replacing this door is because obviously it had a heat shield on it first, and I broke the heat shield off while I prized it off. With Beko, the way that the heat shield door is designed is that it has this thing in the middle, so which isn't secure on it. Obviously if the heat shield's on it, keeps that pressed in, but it means that it's just, if I can show you it, staying in, it sometimes falls off. I could have just used a washing machine like that, but it's not very pleasing looking at that, so I ended up just buying a new door for it. I wanted to treat myself to a new door, so I did. It was my choice, so it was. So I can't wait to finally get it all fitted. So I'm just gonna film it because it's special moment. It's gonna look so class with it. Fitting the door is really simple. So it is, sorry, I have the hiccups. It's literally just a matter of taking out them 2 screws, one at the top, one at the bottom, and just swapping the old door out and then putting a new door on. So we will get that all started. So we will, even though I'm probably not going to edit it or anything like that. I guess we'll just do like mainly a talk video, so we will. I was getting a bit worried about that door, so I was. At first I thought it might have been scammed. It was from a repair site that I've never used before, so I haven't. It was called Fixpart, and they sell parts for like all machines, even ones that what do you call it? Even that's too big. They sell parts for like all machines, so they do. Even I'm getting a wee bit lost, aren't I? Like even like demo models, they have demo models on their things, so they do. And they have supposedly parts for it. Really weird. So it is, I think I'd be better off doing it like that, wouldn't I? Let's see. My wee screwdriver is handy. Other way. Very handy, this wee screwdriver. So yeah, it's just a matter of taking the screw off, so it is. For the sake. You know, that's a bit too awkward. My cousin, one of the other Beko Aquatac got me this handy thing, and it is so useful for like repair jobs where the place is quite tight. It takes a wee bit to manipulate it sometimes, but it's like a really bendy thing, so like if I show like my screwdriver there, it turns it so it does like so. It's quite handy to have. It just takes a wee bit. Come on, there we go. Should be that one right. Oopsies. So So we need to obviously, of course, keep our screws safe. So we do. It's quite awkward taking this out because of the way. Just because of the way that the door is. I have a wall beside the machine, so I can't open the door fully. Would have been handy if I had something like this for that integrated machine I fixed. If you would have saw it on Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, it's okay, of course. And my Instagram's just the same name as YouTube, so it is. So that's the old door all unscrewed. So it's just really a matter of lifting it up and taking it off. So we will set the old door to the side, and we will come with the new door. The new door still has wrapping all on it, so it does. I will take the wrapping off once I've got it, put onto the machine. So I will, don't want this to go wrong. I'm not used to working with a tripod near me, so I'm not. So with the new door, it's just a matter of taking our wee hinge and just slotting it into place. It just locks. I don't think I've locked it properly, have I? Once it's, you can tell once it's locked, like, so you can. It just sits on that, so it will hinge base. Where's my screwdriver? I think I'm okay. I'm really not used to doing it like this, so I'm not. I don't obviously want the thing to fall. Oops. Oh, for goodness sake. Sorry, I'm not the best repair guy, as you can tell. It's just so awkward doing it with video on. Whenever I first seen the door, it was the box of it had like damage on it, so it did. I was a bit worried about that, so I was. I thought that the door might have been damaged, but thankfully it's okay, which is the main thing. This is probably gonna be a boring video for everyone. Ugh, click off. Ugh. Sick. I'm not good at repair videos. It's not really something that I do. I've never done a repair video before. Never. I can't really focus on it. I'm just used to, doing my wee thing. That's just my screwdriver hitting against it. That's that one, that's that one in. Now it's just a matter of sticking the wee bottom one in. It's nice that the doors are all the same on these. Okay, that's us. Perfection. That's all good. Look at that. That looks lovely. I think I've got the hinge on alright. I just want to check it. It definitely feels lined up alright, so it does. It looks good. Looks really good. Bit of a firmer shut, that one. Now all we just have to do is just take off the wrapping all over the door. Satisfying bit. If I can get it off, that is. I'm involved now, are you? We'll get there. Sick. Oh, it looks so much better. No more scrapes on it. Weird that this way. Alright, focus it in there. I haven't got much of the Miele being behind me. Oh, it looks so good. It was a lot easier taking this off when with the heat shield, with the other one with the heat shield. So it was. I'll be here. I swear that. Come on. That looks lovely. Oh, that looks so good with that door now. Oh, amazing. It feels so nice. I can close it, open it properly. Not having to worry about this fallout. Oh, that looks class. Yeah, well, that's just done. That's how you fit a door. A new door to a Beko washing machine. It's pretty much the same for all brands. Hi, great. You can see my family being exposed now with the black door. Sick, lovely. Nice aquatech logo down there too. Yeah, looks lovely. Anyway, I know this has been probably a wee bit of a boring one to watch, but yeah, no more scrapey door on videos. Nice, shiny, clean door. Thank you all so much for watching, everyone. Hope you all enjoyed, and goodbye.